Hello, welcome to Help, Helpful English Learning Place, the channel for all your English learning needs. We are back to school. Let's look at all the things in the classroom. Look at the pictures and read the words. A desk, a desk, desks, desks. A chair, a chair, chairs, chairs. A table, a table, tables, tables. A bookcase, a bookcase, bookcases, bookcases. A whiteboard, a whiteboard, whiteboards, whiteboards. A marker pen, a marker pen, marker pens, marker pens. A blackboard, a blackboard, blackboards, blackboards. Chalk, chalk. A bin, a bin, bins, bins. A push pin, a push pin, push pins, push pins. Tape, tape. Glue, glue. Scissors, scissors. A stapler, a stapler. Staplers, staplers. Staples, staples. Paper, paper. A paper clip, a paper clip. Paper clips, paper clips. String, string. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos. You can also click on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos.